Umentri rangba ukonrot ke sangma haga khatsan tarik unai wing ulapli renghang ya kejaka peniat kali ki pulit high GP point kebala kertin mentala kat tukat ni benai. Ya kini kejaka lapin itenat bat penihap dur ya ke Shillong kum kanong ba bopuk uping lani ke smart city. Hakini kejing pli renghang ladon lang usembut menteri pen itenat sor ke DGP bat bongut ki he ki han ke sorkar jela. Ya kisentiu kiskut balathung hagani kejaka lapasa bat penbam da kasbok balasan hamarten. Kibor ka PWD kilepin pernai kisurok pelun ke main secretariat de kirong kirup kibathaba banchingan kalit kawan jong kibriu kibayat kejat.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge Urban Affairs, our Commissioner Secretary Urban Affairs, our Additional Chief Secretary in charge Home, our DGP and all our other officials who are present out here. This is a very small space that has been made as mentioned by our Commissioner Secretary. But this is a step towards what we are trying to do to really lift up the overall feel and look and the space of Shillong City. And as mentioned by Commissioner Secretary, that as we move ahead, you will see many of such locations being developed. And this is, as I said, just the beginning of what's happening. And you will see slowly and steadily that all the junctions will be beautified in this manner so that it creates space for people to be in. And, it's very important for us to ensure that we are using this existing space that we have in a very logical and in a very, practical manner. So I'm very happy that this small step has happened. I'm really looking forward to the bigger outcomes that are going to be there, and and many other things that are moving forward. I also would like to take this opportunity to inform you that yesterday I was announcing about the 7-star resort that we are targeting for Orchid in Umiam. But I also would like to inform you that we have just finalized for a 4-star hotel to be put up in Orchid Polo. That has already been finalized. And like that, many other things are happening. So the construction for the Polo Orchid, the entire old building will be dismantled, and private party has been selected through proper process. And now the construction of a 4-star hotel will start coming up in Polo. So like this, the assets and the land that we have of the government, we are ensuring that we are able to maximize the utility. You are seeing the construction of the parking lot that's coming up right next to the additional secretariat. Like that, there'll be many other locations that are coming up. So we expect that in the next 12 months, we should see a major facelift in the overall look of Shillong City. And we're hopeful that the walking space that we're creating will also be used by the people. And of course, our larger project of shifting the entire administration out of the current city and taking it to the new administrative city will be the major change for our city. And once that happens, we're very sure that it will lead to major decongestion of Shillong City. So without saying too many things, I'm once again thankful to the department, to Honorable Deputy CM for all the efforts that have been put in. Last, I'd just like to mention to you also that the Integrated Command and Control Center is also ready. We should be inaugurating that also very soon. As you can see, this is one of the towers that is there, that is going to send the information and signal to the Integrated Command and Control Center. So this is also a very important aspect that will allow us to monitor crime or monitor the traffic and all other aspects through a very strong integrated system, which will be then centralized at the Integrated Command and Control Center. So these are all things that are happening. And once again, I thank all the officials and the designers who were involved in this. Again, last point, that we have used local material, as you can see. This is again something very encouraging, and we really want to continue doing this. We are all very happy that finally in Martin also, the legacy waste is finally being now treated. So we are hopeful that that also within the next 12 to 18 months, we should be able to complete the entire cleaning up of Martin also, which has been a long pending issue. And as mentioned by Commissioner Secretary, the compost that has come out from the initial phases of the cleaning up is being used here and in many other locations around the city. So once again, wishing you all the very best. Thank you and congratulations to all.